Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. I used portrait mode. Alright, after that you want to record an empty background for some seconds. Then after recording it, look at what I am going to be doing. Pick your phone or anything. Alright, do as if you are answering call or anything of your choice. Then all of a sudden, then you just move out. Alright,
save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Guys, welcome to your gallery. At this point, we want to grade this video together. Click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on that volume sign as we silence the volume. Okay, at this point we need an empty background for this video, so you click here, display, come back, click here now and make a split. Then locate where you want this video to start from. All right, go and look for where you want the video to start from. Okay, locate here. No, come back, click here now, make a split here, delete this middle part, go and mark out the unwanted part. From here now we are going to click it and make another split. We delete this last part, come back and click on this one and go and look for overlay. Guys, locate overlay, locate overlay, click on overlay now, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. After that, this is how the video is going to play. Look at it here, just calm down and watch it. Let's see. Bam. Then but this background is too long, click it and trim it a bit. Then after that you want to come back and click on add overlay. Click on add overlay, import your green screen car that you are going to use for this video. Then you reduce the volume. After that, guys, if you need this green screen car, you can DM me, then I will send it to you, as I'm going to be dropping the link at the description of this video. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. You like what we are doing, you love this video, give us a thumbs up, smash your like button. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop an amazing tutorial. Welcome back to this tutorial. So at this point you want to click it and locate remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it to that green point so you can play with this intensity and make it like 30. After that, increase the shadow to 10. After increasing the shadow to 10, mark on this good now. Then you go back, then you come back and click it again. Go and look for adjust. Guys, locate adjust, click on adjust now, HSL, go and look for it, mark on HSL, mark on this green, you reduce saturation to 100%, you mark on this good, then you go back. So at this point you want to use your two thumb to expound the car the way you want it to be. After that, you push it out from the scene completely. All right, just push it out. So push it out now. The next thing is to add keyframe to it. You add keyframe, then you adjust it, then you drag the car. Drag the car to this character. Drag the car to the character, drag it out, drag it out, drag it out from the other end. After dragging it out from the other end, let's play it and see what it is going to look like. This is what it look like now, but at this point we want to make some necessary adjustment. We want it immediately the car hits the character, then the character will disappear. So adjust this your green screen. After adjusting it, let's play it now. Good. At this point now is good. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to come back here, click on this place now. As you click it here now, you want to go and look for freeze. All right, so you come here, take time to do this place. So let it be immediately the car touches you or touch the character, then you are going to be clicking here to go and look for freeze. We want to freeze this part now. All right, freeze it now. Look at freeze here, then you click on freeze. Then the next thing after you click on freeze is to go and look for remove BG. Guys, click it and look for remove BG. Okay, click on remove BG now, auto removal. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good, then you go back. So at this point, use your two thumb as you click it, slide this character. slide him, then make him look good. After that, you are going to be adding keyframe. After adjusting him and doing the necessary adjustment, the next thing, this is how it's going to play. Then you come back here now. We are going to be adding keyframe at the beginning of the freezed part. Add keyframe there, then you adjust it. Then you drag this character to the front of this car. That is what you are going to be doing. As you adjust the video, then you drag the character to the front of the car. Look at what I am going to be doing. Drag it. Let's just see this one and see how it is so far. Good. Then you drag it again. Still drag that character to the front of the car. Just do it gradually so that you get the exact thing you want. All right. You can still decide to touch it again. After that, let's play it now and see what we have got here. Good. Look at it. Good. So at this point, we want to remove the unwanted part. Click here and trim it. Then you come and click on the green screen car. We are going to be splitting it as it's too long. So click here and make a split. Delete this last part. Click here now and trim it to be equal with others. After this now, we are going to be playing this video from the beginning to see what we have got. All right, so play this video from the beginning now. So at this point, this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effect and every other effect. After that, you export your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to do them, DM me, I'll put you through. Then you export your video to your gallery. All right, now this video has been stored in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic tricks you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. If you love this video and you like what we are doing, go and smash your like button. All right, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.